Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you want to delete a branch from GitHub, then this is how you're going to do it. So first things first, you're going to head over to github.com, and then from here you're going to make sure that you're logged in or already have created an account. Now from your dashboard or your homepage, you're going to look over to the left side panel of the screen, and then from there you will see all of your repositories. Now we're just going to choose any of the repositories where we want to delete a branch from. So I'm going to choose this one from the test repository that I have. And then from here, as you can see, I have my two branches. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to click on this two branches right here, and then the branches will be opened like so. Now you can see all of the branches here. You're just going to select the branch that you want to delete, and then from there you will be able to see this delete icon. So you can just click on this delete branch icon, and as you can see here, it has been updated and it's now deleted. So what we're going to do is we're just going to reload this page, and then we're going to head back to that page. And as you can see here, that branch has been deleted and only main remains now. Now we're going to head back to code, and we'll be able to see only one branch in here. And that's it. That is how you're going to delete a branch from GitHub repository. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you have more questions, you can just drop them in the comments below.